My name is Vishal Gowda CS. I am from Asan and I completed my BE in Computer Science from Nokis College of Engineering, Asan. Once I completed my graduation, I am interested in Java full stack developer, and I got to know about Rajajinagar JSPIDER through my senior. Then I will join Rajajinagar JSPIDER in the month of September 2021. And here the trainers are good and friendly, and the way of teaching is good, and the trainers are teach us from scratch to advanced level with the real time examples, and they are also provide assignments and presentation, and they are also provide mock to help to build communication skill and technically strong, and also provide grooming classes how to crack interviews. And I got placed in good MNC company with a good package.